A boy rushes into the house, hand covered in a white paste. This home remedy hasn't resolved the pain in the boy's hand. His family behind him, he runs up to the global mission pioneer who lives here and asks for help. The pioneer takes a quick look and promises to do more for him after lunch. Today is Sabbath, and he has other patients to help before starting church. A man then brings in his sick wife, who's been suffering from severe stomach aches. Drawing from his basic medical training, the pioneer listens to the couple and counsels them in his unusual living room. This unique space has been transformed to welcome visitors in need of medical attention. In this small town in Uttar Pradesh, India, quality healthcare and medical treatment are rare opportunities. The nearest hospital is hours away, so Pioneer Prem uses the talents God has given him to serve the town's sick. This much-needed service is a lifeline for the people, and they fill Prem's schedule during the week and beyond. Prem's patients receive more than just physical care. They learn about a holistic lifestyle and the importance of a healthy mind, body, and spirit. They also receive love and compassion as they speak with Prem. Many of the treatments offered here are natural medicines, including herbs, plants, and charcoal pills. Prem gives this couple medication and inspiring literature, and at the end of each visit, he asks the heavenly physician to heal and bless his patients. Prem believes it's his duty to tell others about the source of all healing, and the people appreciate learning about the God who heals. Pioneer Prem has one last patient this morning, a young boy who first came here in a critical condition. After seeing many local healers, the family's only hope was Prem. He prayed for and treated the boy, and in time, he was healed. Today, the parents believe it was Prem's God who healed their son, and they continue to see Prem for their medical needs. Pioneer Prem finally gets a chance to finish getting dressed for church. At last, he rushes upstairs, where many of his former patients await him. Even from the bottom of the steps, he could hear their singing. They weren't disturbed by the delay. The extra time has given them an opportunity to praise the wonderful God of healing they've come to know. Prem speaks to the group about Jesus. It's easy for them to picture a heavenly physician who healed, preached, and cared for those around him. They've come to see a glimpse of Jesus in Prem. This church plant is the only Seventh-day Adventist congregation in the region. Before Prem arrived, this was considered an unentered area. Now the members pray to officially establish the first Adventist church here. They also give financially to support the mission here and abroad. They know their humble tithes and offerings receive God's blessing and are multiplied. Please pray for this church and for pioneers all around the world who labor on the front lines of mission.